This is a World Federation Emergency Authority broadcast. All networks have been temporarily suspended. At 2 o'clock UTC, astronomical agencies confirmed that the lunar body has entered an unprecedented state now designated as the blood moon anomaly. This phenomenon is not a lunar eclipse, nor any previously recorded celestial event. The moon's surface has shifted into a continuous crimson emission visible across all continents. Simultaneously, global monitoring systems have detected the onset of multiple, redacted, natural disasters occurring in rapid succession. These events do not correspond to any known geological, meteorological, or astrophysical patterns. Due to the classified nature of the developing situation, specific details remain restricted. However, all citizens are instructed to take the following actions. 1. Seek immediate shelter in reinforced structures. 2. Maintain access to emergency supplies for a minimum of 72 hours. 3. Avoid coastlines, mountain ranges, and major fault zones. 4. Follow instructions from local authorities and do not attempt to travel unless directed. The World Federation has activated the Global Response Network. Military, scientific, and humanitarian units have been deployed to all affected regions. Further information will be provided as it becomes available. Repeat, this is a global emergency. The blood moon anomaly is ongoing. Remain indoors. Stay calm. Await further instructions.